Now, let's take a look some example, okay? How can we using the complement formula, okay, to do the calculation? So take a look of the quick practice 11.7, okay? Now here, the bar chart on the right show the distribution of the most favored subject of the group of 120 students. So make sure that you highlight those either keyword or for numbers, okay, help you to do the calculation. It's given that each student can vote for one subject only. Remember, one student for one vote. That means they won't have overlap, okay? So our student is chosen at random from the group. Find the probability that his or her favorite subject is neither nor. Remember, neither nor mean, sorry, I don't want English, okay? Cancel it. Then I don't want Chinese. What does it mean? It means they can choose either math, PE, music, history, or economy. Okay? So, two methods to calculate. Probability of neither English nor Chinese. Okay? Method 1, calculate the item that you want. Neither nor, that means we don't want this two. That means you want the math, right? So probability of math plus the probability of PE plus the probability of music plus the probability of history. Then last one, plus the probability of econ. Okay, then adding them all together. So take a look of the math. Math is 20. Remember, don't just give me the 20. This is probability. Okay, probability is either a percentage presentation, either a fraction, either a decimal to present. Both three type is acceptable, but not 20. Okay, so it will be 20 out of 120. Okay, so maths done. Then PE. PE will be 22. Then music will be 25th. Then history is 13. Then economy, okay, economy will be 8, okay. So adding together, you can find the final answer, okay. It will be, remember, simplify, okay. Last lesson I told you 11 out of 15. So this is one of the method. Method 1, calculate the event that you want, okay. Or we can using method 2, okay, using whole value minus the event that you don't want. It's the same, okay. So now let's try to using method 2 to do it. So method 2 is, if I want to find the probability of neither English nor Chinese, okay, what it will be, whole value, probability whole value will be 1, okay, 100%, minus the event I don't need. That means what? English, okay. So what is the English? Will be 18 out of 120 minus the Chinese. Chinese is 14, okay, out of 120. Then simplify it. The answer should be the same, okay. So now I told you that actually we got two methods. You can calculate the event you want or using the complement, okay. Remember, complement formula. 1 minus the event that you don't want, okay? So it also a method to calculate the thing that you need, okay? So two methods, you can choose either one of them, okay? So I would suggest you choosing one that you think is more easier, okay? So this is the quick practice 11.7. Now take a look of the another quick practice 11.8, okay? So now let's start. A part. Two fair dice are thrown. Find the probability that the sum of them are less than the sum of them are at least something. So remember, every time when you are doing dice question, I would strongly suggest you draw the table, okay? Don't hesitate, immediately draw the table, okay? It will help you a lot, okay? Because when you counting all this, it will be more easy. So after we draw the table, so now take a look of this. So first of all, we want to find out the sum of the number is less than 6. So highlight all those less than 6. Yes, some of them are less than 6. Can it be this one? Sorry, it's not okay. Because 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 is not less than 6. Okay, be careful about the logic. So less than 6, okay, highlight all of them. Okay, which one is less than 6, less than 6, then done. This is all the possible that are less than 6. So how can we write it down is A1, probability sum less than 6. Remember, sometimes we don't need to copy the whole sentence, just using some math symbol to simplify, okay, the sentence. So sum will be less than 6. Actually, how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Total, you got 10. 10 out of 36. This is not the final answer. Simplify it, okay? A1 done. Now A2. The sum is at least 6. Easy, okay? At least 6. What does it mean? At least 6 mean it can be 6, can be more. That means 6, 7, 8, can be more. Less than 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you see that? These two, actually, they are complement case, complementary event. Can you see that? 1 to 5 and 6 or above. So yes, you can counting all those green tick, okay? Counting all green tick, calculate all of them. One of the method. Or another method is 1 minus the event that you don't want it. Okay? See? Easy, right? Just minus it, then final answer, 13 out of 18. Okay? So of course, you don't need to use the 10 out of 36. If you already got the final answer, 5 over 18 is the simplest form. Okay? So this is how can we using the complementary event formula to calculate. Now take a look of the B part. B part, both number are odd number. Okay, so what we need to do is let's try to find out all the odd number are odd. All the two numbers are odd number. Okay, so now let's try. So now let's start. Both number are odd, so odd number, and odd number. So actually it's quite easy. Okay, if you know what's going on, you just super fast, you can take out all those odd number, right? So probability of both number are odd. Okay, so counting the tick, how many tick you will have? So that total, you have 9 of them. So 9 out of 36. Remember, simplify 1 over 4. Okay, then B2. At least one of the number is even. Okay, what does it mean? Odd number mean all of them are odd. Even number mean what? Okay, both number are odd. At least one even. It can mean even odd is okay, right? Then even is okay. So you can see that actually these two cases again, complementary event. Okay, beside them, this case, they won't have other choice. So again, using very easy, simple method, 1 minus. Okay, so the probability of at least one is even will be 1 minus all are odds. Then your final answer will be 3 out of 4. Done. Okay, so this is the final answer. Is it clear about the complementary event, how to calculate? Okay, so you have choice, either method 1 or method 2. You can negate the complementary event formula. You just want to calculate all the event you want, it's okay. But sometimes complementary event formula will help you to save time, okay? Because you don't need to calculate so many different cases. You just 1 minus the event that you don't want. That's it, okay? So now it's your time to do the homework to familiar with how to do the 11.3, okay, the addition law, okay? So next time, okay, after the Easter holiday, you will come back to learn 11.4 multiplication law, okay? See you after the Easter holiday. Bye.